Kalau dari pemain, pertama-tama kami ucapkan selamat buat Bali United. Kemudian pertandingan hari ini menurut saya pertandingan yang sangat bagus.
Selamat malam. First, say congratulations to Bali. They won, and wish good luck for AFC Champions qualify. In my opinion, I think was a fantastic game with many opportunities for the two teams, also with a good environment from the supporters of Bali in a good field. Games like this, I think, invite the supporters to come to the game. As you know, we play more than 1 hour with one less player away. We are winning. I think on this game, two teams good, Bali and PSM Makassar, in my opinion. The third team, we must analyze if we want to improve. Many mistakes. Number 44 must have the second yellow card when see the first. If you make sent off our player, the rules are for the two teams. Also Spasso, kick our goalkeeper. There is on the minute 53 one offensive corner to us that everybody saw in the stadium. Also the players from Bali was laughing. It's too much mistakes. But the coincidence of these mistakes, it's always against PSM Makassar. Since the beginning of the season, I feel like PSM Makassar was champion last season, and now everybody is against them. Referees change the games as they want. It's okay. If everything counts to put PSM Makassar down, unfortunately, I think we deserve respect. We not try to make bad things to nobody. We try to respect. We respect fair play. When we are winning, we try to play game. When they are losing, we try to play game. And I think the difference today was some mistakes of the referee against us. We have chances and we not score, and Bali have chances and score more goals than us. But I must say one thing. When we lose, it's not everything bad. And when we win, it's not everything good. Today we lose, but see, we play more than 1 hour with one less player, and we create many opportunities. Away, at home of opponent strong, with more budget, with better facilities. And I think if I'm not going to have excuse about the referee, but if we go to analyze the match, we see many mistakes of the referee team against us. If maybe the referee not make these mistakes, maybe we play 10 against 10 or 10 against 9, and maybe was different history of the match. But what happened was that we lose. So congratulations to Bali, and I hope that this was it. Can do better games next time, because too much mistakes in my opinion. I think my players make good sacrifice without one player less more than 1 hour. So of course we are sad because the not win, not catch points, but this is the football. Sometimes we win, sometimes we draw, sometimes we lose.
Ya, Assalamualaikum, selamat malam. Kalau dari pemain, pertama-tama kami ucapkan selamat buat Bali United. Kemudian pertandingan hari ini menurut saya pertandingan yang sangat bagus. Apalagi kita bermain 10 orang dari babak pertama. Kemudian kami meminta maaf kepada supporter karena hasil ini kurang maksimal. Kemudian pertandingan selanjutnya kita harus fokus karena tanggal 18 nanti kita akan melawan Persebaya. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih atas penonton.
Ketika gua bermain di lapangan yang 23.
About national team, I don't know nothing. I am not the head coach of national team. I cannot understand about slowing camping. I respect everybody. If you see, since we are working on PSM Makassar, see how many players we already put on the under 20, under 70, under 23, first team, national team. So we want to help national team of Indonesia. We respect many the Indonesian national team, and I think it's good for the players can go there. So I don't understand the question. If you want to reply, because I'm not head coach of national team. I am coach from PSM Makassar. It's foreign coach. I am coach PSM Makassar. What the other coaches do, I cannot answer. I respect the national team. I respect everybody. But I just can speak about PSM Makassar.
Peluang dan atmosfer di stadion.
Yes, dua kartu merah. It's very easy to show kartu merah this season to PSM Makassar. I give example. Head coach of Bali that I respect and I like him. Go inside of the pitch. Nothing happened today, but nobody saw. But if you go to see, and other things happen. And I am trying to see why my goalkeeper coach go out. It's very easy. When the Wazi team see that make mistakes, and we are not stupid because this is our job, we know the rules. And we say, hey, ati, another mistake. And the way that they answer to us is showing cards. This is the future of referee. Maybe not, but if you want to develop the Indonesia football, I think you must analyze the games that the Wazit make and see since the beginning of the season, see the Wazit game, our games, many difference. I'm not saying that we lose because the Wazit. But come on, it's too much mistakes. You speak about the situation of Spasso. Will he make Uran make like this? But you saw what Spasso make after he put the knee on the backs. What Tahar do? Huh? If you go to make the same analysis, Spasso must have red card. And if you go to see the game, Spasso make kick our goalkeeper. This is why the goalkeeper coach will say, hey, and this put us very down because we see different rules. But I repeat, we not lose because the referee. We lose because Bali scored 3 goals and we just scored 2 goals.